My name is BJ the Chicago Kid, and I'm from the south side of Chicago.
I was joking when I told him to play that song, but this nigga just made a tear come out of my eye thinking about what I've been through, where I come from. And it made me think about this shit.
The love that New York City is giving me right now is incredible. I could only imagine how this could feel, but to feel it tonight is incredible. That's all I can say is unbelievable, because I'm definitely not from here, and growing up to know how New York taste is very particular. So for me to be accepted, I love it.
Songs are fucking dope. Boom, boom, boom. To tell the truth, for sure was you and this both.
Performing at Who's Next headlining this time feels incredible. It's at an incredible time in my life right now. I just released my debut album on One Time Records, In My Mind, and the energy and the passion that we're putting into this thing is at its peak, and it's only going to grow daily. So I'm happy to display how we're feeling and what's going on. Let them hear the live versions of the songs that they love from the album. It's dope, man. I love it.
Make some noise! Throw reflections at the mirror. Trying to catch you. It's crowded on the dance floor. Come on, just don't step on my shoes. Fist in the air. There's a war going on outside, we can't escape. I still got my hands in the air. Come get lost into the music, run away. Let's run away and dance a little more. Until we see the sun. Come on. Starting a movie. We can press rewind. We got press rewind. That's why we gotta be brave, be loud. Let's turn this mother out. Everybody go crazy, show out. Let's tear this mother down. We gotta be brave, be loud. Let's turn this mother out. Everybody go crazy, show out. Let's tear this mother down. SOBs, make some noise. Okay. Bounce, come on, 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 bounce, come on. We don't need no titles. So fuck that, we're still riding. Don't know when we're landing. Come on. Let's just keep on flying. Let's just keep on flying. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Don't know our destination, we'll get there eventually. Don't know what the future holds, but tonight let's make history. 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 One time now, wait. Let's enjoy life. Let's enjoy life. Come on, have a good time. We don't need nowhere to rain. We got work more than diamonds. Don't worry about our differences. Why? It's what we have in common. What we have in common. Come on. Don't know our destination, we'll get there eventually. Don't know what the future holds, but tonight let's make history. 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 Let's enjoy life. Let's enjoy life. Have a good time. It's New York City in the building tonight. Okay.
What's going through my mind before I go on stage is to relax. The energy from the people can be so to the point where it puts you at another level, and you have to maintain a certain level of calmness to give them what they came to see and deliver what you know you can do past what they know you can do. It makes sense, So I try to stay on my rocket ship but keep holding the wheel.
Hey, we can go to heaven, baby, go to heaven, baby. Yeah. Hey, can go to hell and back. Listen, amazing grace. It's hard to say no when it's looking so good in my face. The law and curves got me on the swerve when I'm trying to drive straight. If you call me on another day, baby girl, I probably would've took that cake. Cause every nigga love birthday cake. And every time I come around, I can tell you be looking at me, shout. I can tell you be wondering if I'm really loving what I say. It'll be wrong if we get along, because I know me, but still I try to be strong. Say, keep the G on, but she ain't trying to hear me. No, no, no. She says she wanna drink, do drugs, and have sex tonight. If you know it, sing it, what? But I got church in the morning. Church in the morning, yeah, yeah. She said she wanna drink, do drugs, and have sex tonight. Yeah, yeah. I got church in the morning. Let's church in the morning. Trouble in my way, yeah. Whisper in my ear, she ain't had good since last May. And she know I can change all that if I want to right now today. Straight put in a plate, make her ass wanna stay, so I can never get away. Cause every time I come around, I can tell you be looking at Charlie. I can tell you be wondering if I'm really loving what I say. Ooh, baby, it'll be wrong if we get along, because I know me, but still I try to be strong. Say, keep the G on, but she ain't trying to hear me. She ain't trying to hear. She ain't trying to hear me. No, 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 no. She said, hey, I got, yeah, yeah, yeah. She said she wanna drink, do drugs, and have sex tonight. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Hey. We can go to heaven, baby, go to heaven, baby. We can go to heaven. Ooh, hey. We can go to heaven, baby. Hey, how the hell?
What feeds my energy when I'm on stage is me being my biggest critic, knowing what I could do. It's kind of like a point guard, seeing where the defense is, where you have the ball, and being able to maybe cross over, do the spin move, and knowing how to control them, keeping the control. Studying a lot of greats helped me understand small things that control people during the show that they don't even know they're being controlled doing.
Too much love, can't keep it to myself. Baby girl, I think I knew.
I want you to feel the love I have inside me, inside you tonight.
Can we sing it to you? I want you to feel the love I have inside me, inside you tonight. I want you to feel it.
I want you to feel it, yeah.
You ready, little man? Lay it down, it's time to play up. Yeah. I'm fresh up off the Rio. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know you used to rain, but tonight you're gonna pour. They might hear you scream while I'm giving you more. I want you to feel it. Hey, I want you to feel it, yeah. No, 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 no. I want you to feel the love I have inside me. If you know it, sing it. Inside you, hey, tonight. I want you to feel the no, 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 inside you. Ooh, ooh, but tonight, hey. I want you to feel it. Oh, baby. I want you to feel it. I want you to, baby. Yeah, yeah. Want you to feel it. I feel it in your soul, baby. Till you lose control, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, I want you to feel the love I have inside me, inside you. Hey, tonight, yeah. I want you to feel the love I have inside me. Hey, here we go. To feel the love I have inside me, inside you. One more time. Tonight, yeah. I want you to feel the love I have inside me, inside you. Tonight.
One lasting impression I want to leave my fans with is one word: incredible.
Y'all having a good time, New York?